Well, looky here. We have a beautiful mockingbird. Oh, I moved the camera. Isn't he beautiful? And over in the tree, you hear a red-winged blackbird. Yeah, that's the sound. But I can't find him right now. And there's a car. This is my red-winged blackbird. Oh, and that's construction noise. But there's no mariachi music to go with it. I know the feather on his wing is yellow, but he is a red wing.
What you are looking at here is my hair. Lou cut my hair short because it was coming out from those big long strands. And I want to show you what happened to the hair after this.
Hey, good morning, everybody. I found this beautiful little, I think it's a titmouse. Yep. I threw my hair in that bucket when Lou cut my hair yesterday, and the titmouse is gathering it up for his nesting material, or hers. So, huh?
It just flew away.
It just flew away. Well, have a good day. Be sure and give all praise and honor and glory to Yahusha HaMashiach. I love you. Shalom.